The flavors of coconut, banana, peaches, and pineapple all come together to make the Tokyo Sunset. Inspired by a cocktail made famous at the Japanese Pavilion in Walt Disney World, my version is a little more adult and more coconut forward. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Fridays. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today we're making a really fun drink. We're making the Tokyo Sunset. So let's get started. Now this drink was invented at the Japanese Pavilion at the Epcot Center, which is part of Walt Disney World. This is going to be my version. The original is fun and colorful and sweet. Mine's not quite as sweet. It's a little more grown up. We're going to start off with a nice glass of ice here and some rum. Coconut rum, to be exact. This is the kind I like. And we just need 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Right there. Into our glass. Next is peach schnapps. This is the kind I like. 1 ounce or 30 mils. Pretty easy so far, right? The next ingredient is a banana liqueur. This is the kind I got. Again, 1 ounce or 30 mils. Next up is pineapple juice. 2 ounces or 60 mils. I have these cute little cans of pineapple juice. Right in our glass. It's looking pretty good so far. Now you probably know what time it is. Time for the shaky shaky. All right. Now, you might think this is going to go in a martini glass, but it's going to go into a Collins glass instead. I have some fresh ice in here. And we're just going to strain it right in. Pretty. Next up is just a wee bit of grenadine. Just a little splash. Just a few drops. And look what happens when you put it in. Beautiful. That gives it that sunset type of color. Now I like to garnish this. I like to be kind of fancy. I've got some cherries and an orange, and we can just balance that on top, and that's how you serve it. Let's have a taste. That is very, very good. The first thing you get is the coconut from that coconut rum. But then there's other flavors. You can get the peach and a little bit of the banana inside. And it's just wonderful and refreshing and not quite as sweet as the original, which I like. The pineapple juice brings it all together and makes it very refreshing. All right, we'll see you on Tuesdays for our regular episodes, Fridays for Cocktail Fridays, and every other Sunday for our live streams. So while I go and enjoy my cocktail, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. Until next time, cheers.